Tonight, only on 10, a judge will decide Jenny Hatch's fate on Friday. That's when a judge makes his final decision. Andy Fox was there when Jenny's expert witness suggested Jenny has not been treated right. Andy?
Nicole, the justice for Jenny issue comes down to this. Should she live where she wants? And will her Medicaid benefits follow her for the special services that she requires? Should Jenny Hatch enjoy fundamental freedoms?
I'm going home, Andy.
Jenny Hatch left court with her attorney in tears, forced to wait until Friday to hear her fate. Jenny's team saved the best expert witness for last, though, Sandra Herman, a Medicaid waiver expert, who on the stand said she was very concerned when she read Jenny's plan of care.
Her preference was to live in the community, and that was not granted. She was living in a group home against her wishes.
That group home decision made by Jenny's mother, Julia Ross, who is now the temporary guardian, hoping to become the full guardian. Jenny wants to live with her friends, Jim Talbert and Kelly Morris.
My concern would be she ran away from a group home 4 times. You know, does she really want to be there? Maybe not.
Herman went further. She testified Jenny's intellectual disability waiver follows her, and she gets all the services it provides, regardless of where she lives.
She can live anywhere in the state of Virginia as long as it's not an institution.
Jenny's mother, Julia Ross, what about that? Ms. Herman said she can take the waiver and live where she wants. What did you think about that? We have confronted Ross before about whether her decision to prevent a loving family from taking her daughter in is selfish. We asked Herman, whose own disabled child lives with her, what she would do if a loving family wanted her child to live with them in the event that Herman did not want her own child.
If there was a loving family who wanted to take my child in and I didn't have a good relationship, I would be happy that somebody was offering my child a place to live.
That's all Kelly Morris wants, to take in her friend, Jenny Hatch, instead of having Jenny sent to a group home like her mother wants.
And that's how you feel when you love your children. Most parents, that's their hope, that another family or somebody would love your child like you do.
Very emotional case. Today, Judge David Pugh said he wanted to read 2 depositions and will issue his final ruling on Friday. Judge Pugh must first determine whether Jenny is an incapacitated person. If he cannot, then Jenny is her own guardian. If the judge rules she is incapacitated, then he can appoint a guardian, which may be her mother, may be Jim and Kelly, may be someone else, and possibly with conditions applied. Closing arguments begin at 1 on Friday with a final decision following the closing arguments. I'm Andy Fox, 10 on your side.